With that note, ladies and gentlemen, we move on with our next presenter taking stage. Join me to welcome with a huge round of applause from Telangana. Anybody here from Telangana? Abbai, Babai, Andru, ready unnara? Ladies and gentlemen, join me to welcome with the rank 6A2-3, Dr. Ganta Pavan Reddy with a huge round of applause, everybody!
Good morning. Myself, Dr. Pavan Reddy, was a doctor as profession. Was a doctor by profession. I'm using the word was a doctor by profession. I am now full-time Kangen distributor. Sorry for the disturbance. So, Energic is brand, right? Energic is international brand. Please give me a hand mic. Fine. Sorry for the disturbance. Right. So, Energic is international brand, right? So, what are we? We are international brand ambassadors. Right? So, there are many brand ambassadors in the world. There are many brand ambassadors in the world. Are they using the product then promoting it? No. But what about us? We are the genuine brand ambassadors. I say again, we are genuine brand ambassadors. We are using it. We are finding the difference. Then only we are promoting. So we are into genuine business. Right? So what are the qualities of the genuine brand ambassadors? We should have some qualities, right? Without qualities, we can prosper? Not possible. So we need to have some qualities, we need to learn some things. Then only we will become genuine brand ambassadors. We should have thorough product knowledge. We should have thorough product knowledge. Then only we will become genuine brand ambassadors. If you don't have proper product knowledge, we end up doing medical claims. So that will become shame on us. That will become shame on us. Kangen पानी पियो, बीपी कम होता है, शुगर कम होता है, डायबिटीज कम होता है, कैंसर जाएगा, क्या है? It will become very shame on us, right? So that we should take care very seriously. We should not use such words in future, at least, right? So we all know Kangen water have three properties. One is microcluster, antioxidant, and alkaline. So what do it mean? What do it mean for our body? We need to understand in detail. So we know Kangen water have three properties. Then first property is microcluster. What is microcluster? Regular water, what we used to drink, that is having 15 to 20 cluster. Kangen water is only 5 to 6. So what does it mean for our body? That we need to understand in detail. So our body have 37.2 trillion cells. How many? 37.2 trillion cells. So what our water making to our body? So our body is hydrating each and every cell. So hydration is important. So if our body end up in chronic dehydration, it will gradually end up in disease. So hydration matters to our body. Then nutrition matters to our body. What nutritious food we are eating, that doesn't matter. That nutrition carrying to our body cells that matters actually. Then oxygenation important. Okay? In the what environment, oxygen-rich environment we are staying or not, that is not important. The inhaled oxygen reaching to 37.2 trillion cells, that is very important. Then detoxification is important to us. So then only we'll have healthy cells, healthy tissue, healthy organs, healthy body. So that itself is health, right? So we need to understand science behind how our water is giving health. Then only we can prosper. Otherwise, no, we'll end up doing medical claims. So as a brand ambassador, it doesn't look good, right? So that is very important. Then we'll go to second property of our water is antioxidation. So what it does mean to our, so there are many antioxidants in the world, no? We need to understand there are many antioxidants. So if you see acetyl L-carnitine and alpha lipoic acid, coenzyme Q10, curcumin, N-acetyl, resveratrol, selenium, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc. These are all antioxidants. There are many antioxidants available in our body, no? So what is antioxidant in our body? Active hydrogen. So we need to see the molecular weight. We need to see the molecular mass of each and every antioxidants available. Antioxidants are different types. There are some extrinsic antioxidants we need to take from outside, and there are some intrinsic antioxidants. Our body make antioxidants as well. So acetyl carnitine. So and what is the molecular mass? That is 203. And if you see lipoic acid, what is the molecular weight? That is 206. And if you see coenzyme Q10, what is the molecular weight? That is 863. And curcumin, what is the molecular weight? It's around 590, it's around 368. And next, what is the molecular weight? Molecular mass? 163. Next, resveratrol, molecular mass 228. And selenium, that is 78. Next is vitamin B. So C. Next is ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. So what is the molecular mass? It is 176. And tocopherol, what is the molecular mass? 430. And zinc, what is the molecular mass? Atomic number is 30. Mass is 65. And what about our water? See the difference. Active hydrogen is just 2. What about others? So they are bigger, they are bulkier. So that's why our water have active hydrogen. No, it will penetrate into 37.2 degree Celsius very fast. So very fast it will penetrate. So here is the magic. Our energy is doing magic here. Molecular mass is very, very, very small. So that's why it readily penetrates. As soon as you drink, it will readily penetrate. Wherever oxidative damage is there in our body, no, it starts healing. So that's why miracle is happening. And what is the third property of the water? And in this process, our body have 37.2 trillion cells. So every cell is damaged because of oxidation. So that oxidation is damaging proteins, that oxidation is damaging cell, that oxidation is damaging tissue, that oxidation is damaging organs. So if you are taking enough antioxidants, that antioxidants are neutralizing free radicals. So there is no protein damage, there is no cell damage, there is no tissue damage, there is no organ damage. So here is the magic, right? So we know if you are able to take enough antioxidants, we'll be healthy. If you are not able to take enough antioxidants, gradually our body will end up in disease. We are seeing so many diseases, so many chronic diseases, so many cancer patients. Nobody land overnight in any chronic disease. It's a gradual process. If you are not giving enough antioxidant to our body, then only will go in gradual oxidation, that is chronic disease, right? So famous magazines are telling nowadays, secret killer in our body is inflammation. So our miracle water, our magic water is healing inflammation, right? Next is, third property for our water is alkalinization. So what is the importance of it? We need to know. So Goiton Physiology is a basic physiology textbook every medical student should read. As per Goiton, 7.4 is our blood pH. Our body have two types of blood. One is venous blood, another is venous and arterial blood. So venous blood is 7.36 pH, arterial blood is 7.40. So slight variation is there. So as per Goiton, our body should have 7.4. And the food stuff we are eating, the drinks we are drinking, so more than 80% it is acidic. Then how come our body will be in alkaline? That is purely God grace, because our God have given some basic alkaline minerals in our body, that is calcium, magnesium, potassium. Then what is the importance of water, hot water? As per medical science, alkaline buffer salts will drop after 30 years. So that is the reason usually many of the individual won't fall sick before 30. Only after 30 people falling sick because after 30 these alkaline buffer salts dropping. So here our water plays major importance. So what you have to do? Our major thing is we should not categorize people. He's an end user, he's a distributor. We should not categorize. I'll give you a small example here. In our great team, there is a distributor from Mancherial. He used to make, before coming to Energic, he used to make more than 20 lakh rupees per month. So can we expect he'll become a distributor in Kangan? Possible? No, not at all possible. So even we thought that. So he's earning good money. He'll become a just end user for us. So after drinking this water, no, in his family, he used to work from Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday, his job is to clean his home. He's a super rich man, and he's cleaning his home on his own, not using any servants. On his own, he'll wash his home. Because no, his kid, every 45 days, she falls sick, and they need to go to hospital. Hospital में कैसा रहता है हमको मालूम है, many injections, many blood tests. So they could not tolerate that pain. So they stopped going to hospital. Only his close friend used to take the child to hospital because they can't see the pain of the child. So every 45 days, his close friend used to take the child and go to hospital, get the treatment done. But after starting our Kangen water, the child never falls sick. Are you understanding? After drinking our water, the child never falls sick. Then his mind was blown because many years he suffered. Many years he could not tolerate the pain. Now that pain is no more. So what he have decided is, so every family known to me should not suffer with the pain. So he have become a full-time distributor now. He has become a full-time distributor. That is none other than Mr. Chaitanya. If Chaitanya is there, please stand up. Yeah, so he was a great businessman, and he has become an overtimer in Kangen. So that is the power of Kangen. We should not categorize customers as end users or distributors, right? Then, so next, I'm a doctor by profession. It took 5 years for me to become 682-3. But in this hall itself, there are many stalwarts. There are many knowledgeous people more than me, still in 5A, still in 6A, still in 6A2. What is the reason? If you try to analyze, that is only because of teamwork. There are many distributors in our room, younger than me, are in -4 and going to become -5 very, very soon. What is the reason? This is all only because of teamwork. If you are able to do teamwork, no, then only will prosper. So success mantra for Kangen business is only teamwork. If you are doing gatherings, then we'll grow very fast. So that magic of teamwork we are seeing. Myself and Annavini Ramesh Garu and his team. So seeing already. So I request we will do that, then we will prosper. Then Energic India will be world's #1. Right. So, and one more thing, we should not become hero. Don't be a hero. I am perfect. I can only do perfect demonstrations. So every distributor of mine should approach me for the demo, approach me to open the sale. So that is 100% wrong. We should not do that. We should allow our distributors to grow. We should help, definitely. We should allow them to grow. We should take each and every step to allow them to grow. Then only our business will grow. Next thing is, don't be a dependent. I can't do proper demonstrations. So I can't do proper demonstration. Every time I'll call my upline. We should not do that. We should become independent. We should learn as soon as fast. If you are become a dependent, no, how can our distributors, our downline team can put their life on us? Because it's about life, no? If you are not able to perform well, gradually they'll look for alternate business or other teams. So that is inevitable. So we should know, we should have thorough knowledge, then only we can prosper in this business, right? Then I have gratitude to Energic. Actually, total world is suffering with Corona now. But we are sitting here and celebrating. So that is possible only because of Energic. So I thank Energic, I thank Oshiro sir. And not only thing, many companies in the world could not perform during pandemic time. But our Energic was performing only because of Mandar sir and Tan sir and our office. How much hard work they did. Because total world was in panic during pandemic time. But our directors, but our staff put extra effort to keep the operations going. So we thank Energic management, Energic staff. And one more thing, Energic is giving health benefits to lakhs of people in India. Lakhs and lakhs of people to India. And Energic have given business opportunity to thousands of distributors in India. And we should thank Energic from our deepest of our heart. And one more thing is, and we should show gratitude to Mandar sir and Sam sir. And Energic has given celebrity status. Only 30 seconds, please. So Energic have given celebrity status. Whenever a -2, -3 leader going outside, no, so all of our distributor ask for a selfie. So Energic has given. So that is going to come to you as well. That status is going to come every person sitting in this hall. So for that, no, we should have clarity. We should put some effort, right? And I am here only because of my great team: Vishnu sir, Satyam sir, Mallesh Anna, Vaisrav sir, and Mohan sir, Sagar Anna, Ramesh Annavini garu, Ravi, Harman, Ravi Babu sir, and many of my distributors. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Round of applause. Thank you. Sir, 1 minute. Can I have you here? आप कहाँ से हो? हैदराबाद से हो?
I'm from Hyderabad.
हैदराबाद. ठीक है. Sir, I want you to speak 1 or 2 lines in Telugu before I let you go. Yeah? Huh? How many people here understand Telugu? Give me a cheer. ఒకే ఒక డైలాగ్, ఒకే ఒక మాట తెలుగులో మాట్లాడండి సార్. యా.
సో తెలుగులో నేను మాట్లాడాలంటే, నేను కెంగన్ వాటర్కి కోటి 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 వందనాలు చెప్తాను నేను. ఎందుకంటే కెంగన్ వాటరే చాలామంది జీవితాల్లో ఆరోగ్యం నింపింది. ఇప్పుడు ఇంతకుముందు యాక్చువల్గా ఆరోగ్యము అనేది చాలా లీస్ట్ బాధ్యత ఉండమాట. ఆరోగ్యం ఎందుకు? హాస్పిటల్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, నాకు డబ్బులు ఉంటే చాలు, నాకు డబ్బులు पैसे रहे तो काफ़ी है, मेरे को हेल्थ का ज़्यादा चिंता नहीं है, क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल्स है ना, अभी पैसे बहुत लोगों के पास है, डబ్బులు చాలా ఉన్నాయి, लेकिन ఆరోగ్యం లేదు, health नहीं है.
Okay, so what he means to say, for the benefit of everybody, he means to say he wants to thank, he's got 1,000,000 thanks to Energic, and also everybody has money, but very few people are fortunate to have a good health. That's what he means. Thank you so much, sir. Round of applause for him, everybody. Zor taale ho jayega, everybody.